Recording live from North Myrtle Beach.
Oh, I'm recording. That's all.
This is our road so far.
Oh, what are you splashing that water for?
It's at least ankle deep. And the main part of the storm hadn't hit us yet. I got some crazies behind me. I don't know who they are. But we're going to take you up here to the beach and let you see what it looks like. Stay tuned. Now, almost knee deep. We're walking out to sea. Stay tuned. We are now down on the beach, North Myrtle Beach, at Apache campground. And we've got a lot of washout going on down here. I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see what the beach has done. There's cops down there blocking the way. And here's Miss Cotton. And here's Mr. Cameraman. Now we're going to turn around and do a newscast for you. We gotta leave. We're reporting live from North Myrtle Beach, Apache campground. We can hardly stand still because of the rain and the wind. And the water's almost up to sand dunes. We can't stand up for the wind. Right? And I think the police might be coming to get us because we're on the beach and we're not supposed to be.
That's right.
And the sea is rough.
That's right.
And it's heading which way, Cut?
That way.
It ain't. I hadn't even got here yet.
Yeah, it is.
Folks, and it's rained a lot. It's been raining for about 24 hours. And we run the police off.
Yeah.
So we're going to go on a little bit further and we're going to check it out. Stay tuned. Left corner.